In today's vlog, I'm going to Matthiessen State Park. It's just about 4 miles down from Starved Rock State Park. So that I'll put in another video, put a link right there so you can watch that one as well. Here. Overlook or what? Canyons, waterfalls. These ones I think are lake fed, so they should be running the waterfalls. Where Starved Rock, it's more rain based, so if there's not a lot of rain, there's really not a lot coming down from them. We'll take a tour of Matthiessen State Park, see what it has to offer here. So this is like a fort made out of logs. It's like a picnic area when you first come in. And they do have bathrooms back there. Those are over there right by the parking lot. Place to rent skis as well. So we'll take a look inside here. Oh, it is 2 floors. See out there with the restroom and the parking lot. It's the roof. Has ventilation. And that's where the trail we'll be taking down here, which goes to the waterfalls. That's the way I came in, but you kind of come out, you're right at the trail. These are just some signs we missed. This is more tips for the trails. It talks about ticks and, you know, don't climb and that kind of stuff. But some of them are pretty high. Here's kind of a history of it all. So it's 1,938 acres. I always download a map ahead of time and put it into notes on the iPhone. That way, no matter what, I have it. I'll take a picture too with my phone. Here's leaving the fort. So here we are in a trail. I have 14,665 steps, so see how many it is when we finish this one. Huh? This one isn't spread out as much. So today's Friday, October 14th, 2022. See, some of the fall colors are starting to shine through, especially a lot of yellows and golds.
Ooh, got that on video.
Yeah. Like I said, with Starved Rock, as well as here, it's better to come on a weekday if you can. Probably 25% of the crowds that there is on the weekends. And always check, because like Starved Rock this weekend is having fall color week. So it'll obviously be even more crowded. So just a little tip there. It's always better to come on a weekday if you can. So there's the fort. So we did this little section here. So you can kind of go down and around. Giant bathtub's cool. We're across the bridge, Cascade Falls. I'm not sure which one. I think it's the one up here. The Lake Falls is the one that I'm trying to get to. I'm gonna get to as many as I can, but that's the main one I'm trying to get to. Usually this is pretty wet. It's not too wet today, which is good. So they do have signs like the other park. So this is Strawberry Rock is down this way. So there's Strawberry Rock. Oh, we're here. So it'd be that trail, take the bridge, go up and around. Oh, so you could do like one big circle. And I guess that would be 3.2 miles. So you can see here they have these paver blocks, because it's a lot easier to, when it's wet. It's not bad today at all. So that'll be a lot of the walking we'll do along those edges. Are those staircases. Try to do both, the lower dells and the upper. I'm going to do the upper first. There's another nice long bridge, or walkway. See some of the canyon down there. So I'm here. I want to actually end up over there. So I think I'm just going to kind of go around this way. You can see all the different stonework there. Fall colors there. I have done some of those red, that red trail before. You cut across these rocks. I think there's a better way to do it though from the trail above. So, although it is marked, so I don't know. We might have to go that way. A lot cooler down there. There's the stairs I came down. A little bit more treacherous here. Just where it's really low. Just have to climb up and over rocks here. Oh, I do remember that path over there from the stairs. Really scenic and quiet here. A little wet here. Down there. If I go this way, this way, this way. Not bad. It looks worse than it is. It just meanders through all these rocks. There's a little bit of a waterfall there. Surrounded by rock. A waterfall there. Looking up from the bottom of the canyon. The waterfall back there, little one. Green cutting through. Old abandoned, I don't know if it's an overlook or what. Have to go up there and check that out. See the fall colors. Colors over the lake, pond, whatever it is, I'm not sure what it is. I thought it said lake somewhere I saw. So this is the horse trail. It's right next to the, a little lower, but right next to the bridge. And the waterfall. We'll say better from the there's the lake again. There's one over here too. This might just be an overlook. crossing the Arch Bridge now. It's old abandoned structure here. I don't know what this would have been. I mean, it's really, I don't think it was ever like a house or anything, but it might have been like a field house or something, like a dance hall or something. There's multiple levels too, like there's one underneath. They use it with picnic tables now, but you can see it was something more than that at one point. There's pillars. And it overlooks the lake there. Now it looks like it had a thing out to it. They might have opened at one point. It looks like a house ceiling though. Doesn't look like a picnic area or anything. It was electric though. You can see here there's like stairs going down. I mean, it doesn't look like a house. I'm not sure what it might have been. So this is underneath the building, or the abandoned building. I wonder if it's like a boathouse or something. And it's made with brick, the foundation. They had plumbing at one point. Maybe gas. And a TV or electricity coming into it. See, this entrance has the columns too. Yeah, they could have bathrooms. It might have just been a rec center, you know, like a field house. Somewhat elaborate, but there's bathrooms on both sides. Caterpillar. Looking down over there. This is the other end of it. No water here though. It's a path from where I came up from just a couple minutes ago. There's another lower dells on the other side. Let's see what this is. What's on the other side? Got squirrels in there. This is from on top of the bridge. Now we're at the bottom. They call them dells. Every time I go a different way, I find other stuff. Again, except for the lake one, there's not a lot of water going on the waterfalls. Well, really, there's none. A little sloppy here. There's the staircase I just came down. And there's the bridge up there that I just went over maybe a couple minutes ago. Like this might have been a bridge and got washed out. A creepy cave. Back to the bridge. Hopefully you liked the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more content like this.